This new AI tool I've been using recently is fun to use, and I've been doing some different AI testing. And the cool part is that I'm able to do all the large language model tests under one tool. It's called Revven. Let's get started. So this test right over here, I can choose between all of the latest large language models. There's like 10 different versions of just Claude itself in here, and it's like the $200 level. It's pretty insane. You can see I'm using the heck out of this tool right now. So I'm going to go over here and choose Perplexity because it's the best at finding live research and factual data on the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this in, best AI video tools. And I'm just going to say research and give me the best AI video tools with sources. I'm going to say go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually use this information and once it's done researching, and we're going to use another large language model that's actually really good at writing, which is Claude. So we're going to back here in just a minute. So here it is. It's going to work for us, and we'll be right back. Okay, cool. So we have all the research right here. And what I'm going to do is just copy this information here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch now. So while inside the same chat, instead of having to go up and start a new chat, right here, I can just on the fly switch it to something else. So I'm going to switch it to, and I don't see this in like when you're in ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, like if you want to switch their own model within, they require you to start a new chat. In this case, not only can we switch between different models within like Claude, for example, we can actually switch from Perplexity and go right into using Claude in the same chat, which is super, super cool, which I have not seen in other tools. What we're going to do is come over here and I'm going to find which Claude do I want to use. I'm going to use the most capable. And I'm going to say now take the info above because I don't actually need to paste it and write a 1,000 word YouTube script that is super engaging with awesome, interesting hook for my target audience of AI video enthusiasts. Make it sound like a human wrote the script. Do not include timestamps or scene suggestions. Only give me the script. Boom. And remember, we're in Claude, and I'm going to say go. And now Revven is thinking. So I have all the information above. Perplexity just went out and researched and found the latest, greatest AI video creation tools. Then we switched it to Claude's most capable large language model. And then now it's going to go out and write that script for us based on our prompt right here, the best AI video tools right now. So, okay, so let's just read this first part right here. Okay, so I need you to stop what you're doing for the next few minutes because the AI video landscape just shifted again. And if you're still using the same tools you were using 6 months ago, you are leaving insane quality on the table. I'm not exaggerating. I spent the last 2 weeks testing every major AI video tool I could get my hands on, and some of the results genuinely made my jaw drop. Like we're talking about clips we're talking about clips that look like they came off of Netflix set and generated from a single sentence. That's where we are at right now. So let me break down exactly what's leading the pack right now in June of 2026, because that's a clear, the only part, this sounds amazing, right? But we actually, like writing with AI, right? Anytime the word landscape is used ever, we literally just think that it's like AI wrote that, right? But this would actually probably be an appropriate time to actually use the word because we're actually talking about the AI landscape. We're actually talking about the AI video landscape. But we can go ahead and fix that. We can actually say some other really cool things like this. Watch, I can go like this and go attach, and I'm going to attach a document, my AI banned word list right here. It's uploading the document real quick, and I'm going to say the script is fire, but remove any words in the script okay, so I'm going to go, the script is fire, but remove any words that are attached in this list right here. Boom. It's going to dissect the attached document that has a bunch of AI word phrases that you typically want to remove from your writing. And then we just said, go ahead and rewrite it. And so now it's going to say, because of the AI video space, so it's using space, we could say industry, we could replace it with a lot of different words, but landscape is just typically one of those things that we just associate with AI large language model writing, right? So you want to build up your AI words band list that I've been building for years now. And I typically use this when I'm writing anything with large language models that I'm actually going to use. So now we have this amazing script that this just wrote for us. And then now what I'm going to do, so we have this entire script right here, which is great. Now what we can do is we can switch this over. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to the latest, greatest GPT model 5.5. And then I'm going to go and say, let's see. And I'm going to go like this, and we're just going to put this prompt in right here because ChatGPT is going to be great at repurposing our content. And then we'll just go like this, boom, and go. So my favorite part about this process is that now we have full-blown workflows using Revven inside of one chat where we can switch between the different models. When we know a model like Gemini is better at this, Claude's better at writing, and we have ChatGPT's better at repurposing our content, right? Perplexity's better at research and finding the facts for us. And now we can actually do one workflow, save our prompts if we're going to do this on a daily basis or weekly basis, right? And we can actually inside of here, instead of having to go and start a new chat because we're using a different large language model or whatever, or go log into ChatGPT, pay for ChatGPT, and then go over and have all these different tabs open, we can literally have one tab open and just switch between the models right here inside the same chat, which is pretty dang crazy. So we have our 5 YouTube titles right over here, best AI video tools in June. I tested. So now you have your content, you have your script already. Now you have your title that we're writing right over here. We have our thumbnail, AI video just leveled up. But 3 social hooks, we can go and write these for Instagram, TikTok, whatever we want to use that for and stuff. We can continue on with further using the tool to do more stuff. We could actually even go in here and we could just keep it on that. And we could say, we could actually come in here and let's just go for fun. I never use Grok, but let's go and use the latest real-time search. That's Grok for latest. And I don't know if that's 4.3 and this is 4.2, I would say that that's probably the better model to use. But I don't know why this one says latest. But I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to say, now turn this into a Twitter X post. And we're going to let Grok, Twitter X's, large language model, write what it thinks is going to be a good Twitter post. I still say Twitter because it's a lot of people just don't know when you say X what it actually is. But yes, X, Twitter/X. Now it's going to go out there and write us a post for X. And then there you go. The AI space just shifted again. It looks like we wrote this, right? And if you're still using the same tools for 6 months, from 6 months ago, leaving serious quality on the table, ran through runway, boom, boom, boom. And then we've got that right there, full breakdown dropping. Now, which one are you running first right here? Boom. And then there's the YouTube link. So there's your X post. And then you could just keep going through here and just using more, whatever you want to use inside of here. So if you want to get access to Revven, it's kind of a unique way to actually jump in. There'll be a link below. You can go and take a look at it. Essentially, it's part of this program right over here called AI for Business. You get everything on the screen. Just take a pause. But of course, everything that I just showed you inside of Revven, you get access to all that unlimited use at the $200 level of like Claude and all the tools. You get like maxed out volume. You can just use this all day long. It's crazy. On some heavy users, they actually will lose money because it'll actually cost them more than $97 for you to use the tool all month actually. But they've done the calculations and most users are not heavy users. And so they're able to offer it like that, which is crazy. There's 5 or 6 founding members. They're all millionaires, very successful business owners. And they put together this amazing AI package where you get all the tools, you get access to go high level for your business, you get daily calls, all the expert training, you get a chatbot access, you get all the seminar and bonus events, you get all the replays to that, you get access and invitations to all of those, you get prompts, there's a money back guarantee, you can get certified. This could help you land your next AI job, and you have just all kinds of stuff, and then the private community support, help, and all that. It's just for one price, $97 per month. And if you pick this up, you actually get my insane David's Ultimate Course Bundle right here. $1,600 value. This is real world value. This is not just me saying, hey, this is worth $1 million. No, it's actually worth $1,600 because these courses have sold for hundreds and thousands of dollars. The Affiliate Profits Academy course is my flagship course, over 10 hours of affiliate marketing training. And I sold that for $1,000 3 years ago. You get access to that right there. You get access to all these latest, greatest. Is right over here. Simple commission formula, vibe coding method, school mastery. I've made over $50,000 with school communities. I teach you how to build your school community in that course. Keyword research mastery and the AI alchemist. This package I'll email to you when you pick up AI for Business with the link below.